Škoda is working on a new 7-seater SUV based on the Vision S SUV concept. Initially, the SUV was expected to go on sale under the Snowman moniker, but Škoda has now said that the upcoming 7-seater Škoda SUV, which will go up against the likes of Toyota Fortuner, will be called Kodiaq. Škoda also released images of a camouflage test mule. Škoda has confirmed that it will launch the new crossover in international markets early next year. This means that an India launch in late 2017 or early 2018 is likely. The upcoming 7-seater Škoda Kodiaq SUV will be a bigger sibling of the Yeti. The Kodiaq could have an ex-showroom price of roughly 30 lakhs in India. The top-end model could cost 32 lakhs. Which means it will go head-to-head with the likes of the Toyota Fortuner. Škoda India has priced the new Superb competitively, and we hope they'll do the same with the upcoming SUV. Do subscribe us for more videos.